This stunning 4-bedroom, 2-bath residence with 2,198 square feet offers a spacious and comfortable living experience. Step inside and be greeted by an open floor plan that seamlessly connects the various living spaces. The heart of the home is the large bright kitchen, with a center island for entertaining and preparing meals. The kitchen boasts ample cabinet space, modern appliances, and gorgeous granite countertops that add a touch of elegance. The primary bedroom is a tranquil retreat with an attached bathroom featuring large dual vanities and a walk-in closet that offers ample storage for your wardrobe. 3 additional bedrooms provide ample space for family members or as a home office or den, and share second full bathroom with modern fixtures and finishes. When it's time to relax, you'll love the covered front porch, where you can sit back and watch the world go by.